how to make Does Respond on KineMaster. First, grab Swirl 2.0. Set the radius to 50 and strength to 10. Make it bigger. Grab 2 pitches, one of them -6 and man voice changer, the other normal. Sync the 2 pitches together. Grab color changer.
Okay.
Bobby did that one.
We did?
Yeah.
Okay.
Why don't make your face like that?
Because Mommy can't remember if we did it or not.
And I don't of. That's like you're thinking you're telling me this. Go to sleep and I was sleeping. I told him sleep. He said he'll go. And I found a hamster when he was hiding, and I saw him.
Oh, really?
I just saw him one like this, and I went,
You're a good finder. You're a good hamster finder, right?
yeah. The hamster is like fine, and daddy's like, and the hamster is like, whoa, whoa, blah, blah, blah.
Oh,
he
no,
wants
no,
it
no,
out.
no.
He really wants it out. How's it just not doing?
Okay, let's go play another one then. This one's... Oh, no, this one we didn't play. We didn't play that one. No.
Welcome back to Mix Olympics! After 2 games, ang score natin, lamang pa rin ang Jimmy 1 with 11 points and 3 points behind with 8 ang Team Single. Okay, we move on to game number 3. This one is called Scramble. Each member of the group will be given a letter. With those letters, they will form words with the help of given clues. The fastest team to form all the words wins the game. Each correct answer is equivalent to 2 points. At magsisimula tayo ulit sa team na natalo sa previous game. That is you guys. Dito na tayo sa unahan. Pwede nyo aralin ang inyong mga cards so that you know kung anong mga letters ang meron kayo at kung saan kayo pupesto. Over here, pila lang tayo sa harap. 1, 2, 3, 4. What? B or F? F. B. Pwede yung F. Ano yan? Did you get B or A? B. Yep, you. So, mayroon ako ibibigay na phrase. You have to flip it. Yan yung mga choices ninyo para mabuo ninyo ang mga word na hinahanap natin. You guys will be given 3 minutes, 10 items. Here we go. Timer starts now. Clue number 1, part of a plant. Part of a plant. Tinan yung mga letra nyo. Part of a plant? Pear?
Leaf.
Leaf. Go first.
Yeah.
I don't have... yeah. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 4.
Okay.
You.
Okay.
You were the last. Check your letters.
Galing niya sa alphabet.
Maputla in English. Pale.
Dito ako. Wait ako. Ayan.
Taong mapapel.
Paper. Una ako.
Alex Gonzaga Show, Blank Love. Alex Gonzaga Show, Blank Love.
Pure.
Check yung mga letra nyo.
Ayan. Okay.
Pure. Diesel or gasoline?
Ito pure.
Few.
Dito ka. Ay, hindi. Oo nga.
Snowman and Frozen.
Una ka. Dito po.
Mass of bread. Wheat.
Ano?
Mass of bread.
Anong mass of bread?
Mass of bread.
Gram, no.
Loaf.
Yan. Loaf.
Thank you, sir.
No coaching.
No, I was thinking
No coaching. Spank in Filipino.
Palo.
Spank.
Dito ako.
No coaching. Island in Filipino.
Isla.
Last one.
Ayun ako.
Last one.
I'm A.
Pulo. Okay, last ako. You.
Time.
Sana?
Tapos na kayo. So you guys all, gusto nyo pa? Tapos na guys. Perfect na kayo. Perfect. 1 minute and 51 seconds. That is the time to beat. But of course, first of all, kailangan nyo muna mga...
D&G. Ay, tandaan nyo na yung letter. D&G.
Any.
Come on.
Okay. 3 minutes, 10 items. Pwede mag-pass, ha?
E-W.
Okay? Timer starts now. Husband ni Iya. Husband ni Iya.
Okay,
Actress Blanc Alahar.
Gina.
No pain, no blank.
Oh, ito na rin. Ulit. Ito pa.
Pakpak in English.
Wings.
Oh, dito.
Band Blank Against the Machine.
Oh my gosh.
Alam nyo ba yan? Blank Against the Machine.
Pass.
Pass, okay. Song Blank Future Husband.
Dear. Ay, ko, sorry. Atas yun tayo. Balik ka.
Malapad in English.
White, oo.
Dulo ko.
Actress Blank Bonnevie.
Dina.
D.
Song Blank Beneath My Wings.
What?
Blank Beneath My Wings.
Wind ba?
Oh, win.
Wind, di ba?
Don't ask me.
Dali. Okay, tama.
Lumaki in English.
Girl.
Girl.
Sorry.
Girl.
Okay, balikan natin. Band Blank Against the Machine. Blank Against the Machine. Nako.
Is that an indie band or something?
Win. Ay.
Baka naging indie band sila before.
Out.
I'm not quite sure.
Why?
Tayo try.
No. Wala. Ano?
Wine.
Against the wine.
Nako, ang dami mga nasa likod ng camera na,
Sign.
Hindi ko alam.
Madaya may ng coach ng loob. Pati kami pa coach.
9.
Ayan na, meron pa kayong oras, guys.
Guys, wala na.
Wala.
Alam nyo, magbuo na lang kayo ng mga words kung itingin yung babae dyan.
Nine.
Pag hindi nyo marinig, kung hindi nyo marinig ang tamang answer, ang correct na buzz, di
Ward.
ulit.
Ward.
Blank Against the Machine.
Walang A.
Blank Against the Machine.
Ito eh.
Kasi ba yung R ako?
Ito, W.
Blank Against the Machine.
Hindi kita naman ulit.
Dine. No? Dine.
N-A.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Basta bad siya.
Against the Machine. Blank Against the Machine.
Gain?
Laya kanina.
Pakinggan nyo to mamaya, ha? Pagkatapos,
Anong
Blank
genre?
against the machine.
mamaya.
Ang
Time! The correct answer would be Rage Against the Machine.
Wala talaga.
They are a band. They are an awesome band. Mga kids, pakinggan ang Rage Against the Machine.
Medyo luma ata.
90s, at umabot pa ng mga 2000s. They're an awesome band. Okay, here we go. After 3 games ay 29-28, 1 point lead para sa Gimme One. So, okay lang yan. Meron pa tayong 2 more games remaining. Tignan natin kung makumpleto na ba ng Team Single ang kanilang comeback sa pagbabalikan ng Mix Olympics!
How to make does respond on counter. First grab swirl 2.222 speed to 50 and strength to 10. Make it bigger. Make it bigger. Make it bigger. Grab -6 pitches. Grab 1 pitch and man. Grab color changer. Set color offset to 60 and hue to bigger. And here's the result. That's it. How to not make does not respond on KineMaster. Grab color changer. 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 Set the color offset. Color offset. Color offset. Color offset. Color offset. Color offset. To 360 and the hue to 50. Make it bigger, bigger, then flip it, Next,
Grab Swirl 2.0, make the radius 50, and make the strength
10. Make it bigger, export it, flip it. Get the exported version, export it. Get the exported version, flip it. Grab 2 pitches. That's it. How to make Time Master.
Dati ang aking buhay ay kulang sa sigla. Gandang taglay ko ay hindi nila makita. Ngunit nang ikaw ay makilala, ang beauty ko'y nililingon na. So pick and pack, shop till you drop. Sa isa shop, gaganda ang buhay. Pick and pack, shop till you drop. Sa isa shop, mundo'y magiging makulay. So pick and pack, shop till you drop. Sa isa shop, gaganda ang buhay. Pick and pack, shop till you drop. Sa isa shop, mundo'y magiging makulay. Mundo'y magiging makulay. Sa isa shop, life is worth living.